Search is on for the person who targeted the Blight Busters headquarters in Detroit.
7 Action News reporter Tara Edwards tells us what happened from the city's west side.
They put an end to blight around the city, but someone decided to turn the headquarters of Blight Busters into their latest project by smashing out the front windows.
We do a lot of work in the community. A lot of it's beneficial. Why somebody would do this is beyond me. The mental capacity it takes to break somebody's window is one thing.
It happened around 6 p.m. Wednesday. The vandal used a bat to do his dirty work, and the smashing glass caused several people to run out of nearby businesses to see what was going on.
We remain calm, but what really hurt about it is what Blight Busters stand for.
Ticking off a lot of people in the community, some began shouting at him to stop.
One father, he jumped in his van and went around the corner to try to catch the guy, ID the guy, what have not. And then the rest of us gathered out here to make sure no one else came over here. And we just pretty much stood our ground because this is our community.
A woman who works for the city snapped pictures of the vandal and called police. It's suspected the guy was a squatter and had beef with Blight Busters after a recent board-up project they did.
By the looks of the photographs, it was the guy we evicted from his squat.
Those who live and work nearby think it was the work of good Samaritans that stopped the vandal from doing any more damage that was already done and ran that guy out of here.
When a mob of people that care come a-running, that's what you need to do. You need to keep a-running.
And we're told there'll be a fundraiser on the evening of September 10th to raise money to repair the window and also for other things that they need. Tara Edwards, 7 Action News.
I like that line. When a mob of people who care come running, you better run.
All right, they do good.